Parisian fashion is all about effortless sophistication, timeless elegance, and a touch of modern flair. The Burda April 2025 collection captures this essence with 10 beautifully crafted styles that blend classic French charm with contemporary trends. Let's dive into each piece and explore how they bring Parisian chic to life. The asymmetrical hem dress. This dress is the epitome of modern French elegance. The unique asymmetrical hemline creates a graceful silhouette that flows with every movement, making it perfect for both casual strolls along the Seine and elegant evening affairs. Crafted from lightweight fabric, it offers a refined yet relaxed look, embodying the understated sophistication that Parisian women are known for. Pair it with ballet flats for a daytime ensemble, or strappy heels and statement earrings for a more polished appearance. The utility jumpsuit. French fashion is known for its balance of style and practicality, and the utility jumpsuit is the perfect embodiment of this philosophy. With a tailored fit, structured lines, and functional pockets, this piece transitions effortlessly from day to night. The cinched waist enhances the feminine silhouette, while the relaxed fit ensures comfort. Pair it with sleek ankle boots and a leather crossbody bag for a chic, street-style look inspired by Paris's fashion-forward districts. The sheer layered blouse. Delicate, ethereal, and undeniably Parisian, the sheer layered blouse adds a touch of romance to any outfit. The soft, flowing fabric drapes beautifully, creating a light and airy feel. Worn with high-waisted trousers or a sleek pencil skirt, this blouse exudes effortless elegance. Ideal for an afternoon spent at an art gallery or an intimate dinner at a cozy Parisian bistro, this top captures the charm of classic French femininity. The high-waisted culottes. A staple in the wardrobes of stylish French women, high-waisted culottes offer a chic alternative to traditional trousers. Their wide leg cut elongates the legs, creating an effortlessly sophisticated look. Whether paired with a fitted turtleneck and loafers for a day of shopping in Le Marais, or styled with a silk blouse and pumps for a dinner date, these culottes are a versatile must-have. The structured blazer. Nothing says Parisian sophistication quite like a well-tailored blazer. This piece features clean lines, a sharp silhouette, and impeccable structure, making it an essential layering item. Worn over a simple t-shirt and jeans for a casual yet refined look, or paired with tailored trousers for a polished office ensemble, this blazer exudes confidence and timeless style. The pleated midi skirt. Movement, grace, and refinement define this pleated midi skirt. Designed to sway elegantly with every step, it captures the effortless charm of Parisian style. Whether paired with a fitted sweater and ankle boots for a cozy autumn look, or worn with a delicate blouse and strappy sandals for springtime elegance, this skirt remains a versatile and timeless staple. The off-shoulder top. Flirty yet sophisticated, the off-shoulder top adds a hint of allure while maintaining a sense of elegance. Perfect for warm Parisian afternoons, this style accentuates the neckline and shoulders, giving a feminine and effortless look. Worn with tailored trousers or a flowy skirt, it strikes the perfect balance between relaxed and refined. Ideal for a rooftop brunch with a view of the Eiffel Tower. The classic trench coat. A Parisian wardrobe is incomplete without a timeless trench coat. This version stays true to its heritage with a double-breasted front, belted waist, and structured silhouette. Designed for unpredictable spring weather, it provides both function and style. Whether layered over a dress for an elegant look, or worn with jeans and a sweater for a casual yet sophisticated outfit, this trench coat remains an iconic staple of French fashion. The paper bag waist shorts. Comfort meets effortless chic with these stylish paper bag waist shorts. The gathered waistline creates a flattering silhouette while adding a modern touch. Designed for leisurely walks along the Seine or a relaxed afternoon in the gardens of Versailles, these shorts can be paired with a simple tucked-in blouse and espadrilles for a fresh and polished look. The embellished evening gown. For grand Parisian soirees and elegant gala nights, this embellished evening gown delivers sophistication and glamour. Featuring intricate detailing and a flattering silhouette, it embodies luxury with a refined edge. Whether adorned with delicate beadwork, soft draping, or minimalist elegance, this gown ensures that the wearer stands out with grace and confidence. Paired with delicate heels and minimal jewelry, it creates a breathtaking presence worthy of the most exclusive events in Paris. Burda's April 2025 collection captures the very essence of Parisian fashion. Effortless, elegant, and always chic. From modernized classics to contemporary statement pieces, each design tells a story of confidence, sophistication, and timeless style. Which style is your favorite? Let's discuss in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more fashion inspiration and the latest trends from Burda.